Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be starting in with my Sweet Peaches palette, and I'm gonna be going in with this orange, coral. We gonna go with coral. I'm going with this coral color. It don't look coral on me because I'm black, but it look coral on the palette. So I'm gonna go on with that, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease, and that's gonna be my transition color. Now I'm gonna go in with corduroy. I think that's how you pronounce it, but you know, brick. And I'm gonna put that in my crease too. But I'm just gonna pack that on. Like, I feel like you get more of a depth effect when you pack the color on rather than just building it up by swiping it left and right, you know, the whole nine. So what I do to make my color more darker, I pack it on and I just keep packing it on until it's dark enough to my liking. And yeah. I'm really feeling myself. Ooh, get it. So now I'm gonna go in with this coral orange from my MAC palette, and I'm gonna put that above my brick color. And you just wanna blend those two colors together so it transitions well. And I'm just gonna keep building that up until I feel like the orange is, you know, just bow! Just look at that. So now I'm going into my cut crease with Porcelain and the LA Girl Pro Concealers, and I'm going to carve out my crease because that's where I'm going to put, you know, my shebang, my shabazz, my pizzazz colors at. And I'm just going to carve out my eye. Y'all, listen. So this is the first time like I did my cut crease and it just came out bomb. Like every time I do a cut crease, it's like something, it's just crusty around the edges. And for the first time I made my perfect half circle. Like, oh my bejesus. Like, I don't know. I guess I was being patient. Most times I'm low-key in a rush because I be tired. But yeah, let me tell you something. That shit came out nice. So now I'm going to go in with the brick color again. And before you put in whatever shimmer you're using, it's important to blend out that harsh edge of your cut crease. Because if you put the shimmer first, it's going to be hard to blend that out because you already have a bright color there. And it's on concealer. So make sure you blend it out first. Now I'm going to go in with this cute lavender color that I've been dying to try out, but like I never had time. So I'm going to go in with that color. And this is in my Galaxy Chic palette that I got from Ulta. And I think I got it for like, I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure it was less than $20. And I'm just going to pack that on into my crease. You know, shebang. Now I'm going to go in with this other color. It's like a purplish magenta color. And I'm going to put that on the outer part of my crease because I like how it looked when they blended together. At first I was just going to use the lavender color alone, but I like how it came together. So now I'm going to go back in with brick and I'm going to blend the edges, you know, make sure it's not harsh because I just put that shimmer color on. So you want to go back in with the corduroy and blend that out. I'm going to go back in with my coral orange and I'm going to blend out my edges again to make it a little bit darker because I feel like after I put the shimmer on, everything in the background of my eye was not as bold enough as I'd like it to be. So I added that color back in. Now I'm going to go in with my, I think it's called Reflex Pink glitter that I got from MAC. I'm going to put that in the description below. And I'm just going to pack that on my eye. The glitter is white. And it looks like crystal, but it reflects pink. So I just thought it was like, you know, I throw it on there, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to go in with my Mayo Makeup Pigments. And I have this crystal color. It's like a white highlight. I usually go for gold, but I just felt like I do gold too much. And I didn't want to do gold with this look. So I just decided to do the white color instead. And after I highlighted my brow bone, I went back in and went in with my orange color. So here's the finished look. Y'all, go purchase some lashes because listen, Listen. Y'all see that? Wow. I low-key was breaking. Y'all, these gummy bears. Oh my God. I was so hungry. I don't know why I wait to eat during my tutorial. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.